A useful way of creating a copy of a sheet, say for example we want to copy this profit loss 2018 sheet because we need a similar one for the following year. The quickest way of achieving this is to do a move. So the method you use for moving a sheet by using your left mouse button to click and drag the tab to the left or the right as though you was moving it, what you can do is do exactly the same but while holding down the control key. If I hold my finger on the control key, grab hold of the profit and loss tab and move it, remember that black triangle pointer appears. If I now slide to the right, let go of my mouse, not the control key, you'll see that I've got an exact replica of that sheet. There it is there, profit loss 2018 version 2. As long as you hold down the control key, you can click and drag a sheet tab and it will do a duplicate. Should you wish to delete a sheet, then you can right click your mouse over the name on the tab. You get the context menu come up for the sheet and you'll see there's a delete option on there. Now when you do hit delete, you can never delete by mistake because Excel will always display this box to ask you if you want to go ahead with a delete. At this point I could cancel and quit the delete, or I can go ahead and delete. So you can never delete a sheet by mistake, for example leaning on the keyboard delete key. It's not going to happen. Let me delete this one to get rid of that copy. If you need to move a sheet or copy a sheet to another book or a brand new book, you can do this by going onto the tab of the sheet you want to copy or move. Click the right mouse button. You'll notice there's a move or copy option in here. If you click on that, it will bring up this little box that says move or copy. It's asking where you want to move or copy this sheet to, which book. Now you can either move or copy it to a book that you already have open. So if you do want that option, make sure you've got the book open that you need to move or copy to. If you wanted to do a copy of the sheet in a brand new book, then you can choose this option called New Book. If I tick this box down here, it will make a copy of the sheet that I'm looking at here and put the copy into a brand new book. However, if I don't have that ticked, then it will do a physical move. It will take this entire sheet here, the profit and loss, and it will move it out of this book and into the new book.